Solve the equations x squared plus y squared is 20 and x plus y equals 6. Now you'll notice that this isn't simultaneous with two linear equations. In fact, one of them, the top one, is a circle. So for that reason we can't just eliminate. And what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use substitution instead. So I'm going to copy out the second equation over here. X plus y is equal to 6. Now we can either find out this in terms of x or in terms of y. So make x the subject or make y the subject. I'll make x the subject. So x is equal to 6 minus y. So now that I've got something, an expression for x, I'm going to substitute this back into this x here. So I'm going to have x squared, so that's going to be 6 minus y all squared plus y squared is equal to 20. Now that's 6 minus y squared, that's going to be in a grid method. 6 minus y times 6 minus y. 6 times 6 is 36, minus 6y, minus 6y. Negative y times negative y is y squared. So for that particular bit of the equation, I'm going to have y squared minus 12y plus 36. That's just for the x part. So if I carry on, I've got plus y squared is equal to 20. Simplify this and get it equal to 0 because we've got a squared, so it is a big hint that we're going to have to factorise into double brackets at some point. So y squared add y squared is 2y squared minus 12y plus 36 is equal to 20. Do the balance method, take away 20 from both sides. 2y squared minus 12y. 36 take away 20 is 16 is equal to 0. Now, because all of these are even, I'm now going to divide the whole thing by 2, divide both sides by 2, so I've got y squared minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. And now I can try and factorise that using the grid method. So I'm now going to factorise this here. So I know that there's going to be a y squared, which means there's going to be a y there and a y there. I know there's going to be a positive 8 here. So I'm looking for two numbers that times to give positive 8. And they add to give negative 6. So that's going to be negative 4 and negative 2. So two numbers that times give 8, it's going to be 4 and 2. Can I make 6 with those? Yes. So it's going to be negative 4 and negative 2. So that means here I'm going to have y minus 4 and y minus 2 is equal to 0. I've just scrolled up a bit, and then that means that either y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is 4 or y is 2. However, we haven't finished, we've only found our values for y's. So I'm going to go back and figure out what the easiest equation is to substitute those into, and it's x plus y equals 6. If I copy that down, x plus y equals 6. So there's going to be two values. So when y is 4, x plus 4 is equal to 6. And when y is 2, x plus 2 is equal to 6. So that means that x take away 4 from both sides is equal to 2, or x take away 2 from both sides is equal to 4. So my answers are y, when y is 4, x is 2. So 2, 4 would be the coordinate there. And when y is 2, x is 4. So 4, 2 would be the coordinate there.